How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with the Everyday Home Repairs Help channel. I want to quickly show you how to install an old work box when we're doing any electrical work where we need to position an outlet or maybe a light switch on an existing drywall or plaster wall. It's actually a pretty easy process, so let's jump into it.
So we'll take those dimensions of 15.5 from the floor surface and 11.5 from the edge of the wall, and that's going to be right at the top of this old work box. I'll use my torpedo level to make sure the box is level once it's installed, and then I'll trace the inside outline. Don't trace around the tabs, that would be too far because those tabs need to sit against the drywall. I'll extend out each side just so I know exactly the outline that I need to cut out. Now you can use an oscillating tool here. I do prefer the oscillating tool, but I also want to show this jab saw which works really well and is a very inexpensive tool to buy. So just take your time tracing those lines, working it through, and then you should have a perfect rectangle cut out. So now with the wire fed through, I'm going to install it in an old work box. I opened up one of the pass-throughs here. I like this old work box more than your standard blue ones that have the plastic tabs. This is made by Legrand. You'll find a link in the description right below the video to this exact one. I like these metal tabs, and also they can open up a little wider. So if you have plaster walls, they can actually open up wide enough to actually work within plaster walls, in addition to holding on standard half-inch drywall as well. So now I've secured the old work box, and you just want to make sure that you're going to have 6 inches from when you cut the yellow sheathing off, 6 inches of conductor, and a minimum of 3 inches from the actual wall surface. That would be the amount of wire called out in code, and so we have plenty here and we should be good to go.
Now hopefully that helped you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of these videos to help you out with your projects around the house, and the links for any parts or tools used will be right below the video in the description. Now if you want to dive deeper in this actual project where I position this new outlet running wire from the other side of the wall, check out this video right here and I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.